Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own phone case from scratch. So this is not like a phone case decorating kind of video. I'm literally going to show you how you can make a phone case using silicone. The last time I did a video like this was like, I think 4 or 5 years ago. So I really hope that you guys enjoy watching it. If you do enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be amazing. Without any further ado now, let's get started with today's video. For this DIY, you're going to need two main things. You're going to need silicone and cornstarch. I got both of these items from Walmart. You want to make sure that you're wearing gloves when you do this because if you get silicone on your hands, it's a pain to remove. I've done that before, never again. I have some cornstarch in a bowl and I'm going to squeeze out the silicone. As you can see here, I'm sprinkling some cornstarch on top. This is to prevent it from sticking onto my gloves. And now I'm going to start kneading it in until it forms a dough-like consistency. As for the consistency of the dough, you want to make sure that it's not too sticky and not too dry. So if it's too sticky, add more cornstarch. If it's too dry, add more silicone. It's very simple and easy. Once you start kneading it together, you'll kind of have an idea on what you're looking for. This is what the dough should look like. So for now, I'm going to set it aside and we're going to talk about a very important step, which is protecting your phone. So I'm going to take some cling wrap and I'm going to cover up my phone using it to prevent the silicone from sticking onto my actual phone. And as you can see here, I did also place a piece of cardstock on the screen. This is for two reasons. One, to protect the screen, and second, I have an arrow, as you can see, and that's basically to make sure that I know which side is the top and which is the bottom. On my work surface, I'm going to sprinkle some cornstarch and I'm going to roll out the dough. The thickness of this shouldn't be too thin or too thick. I will admit mine was a bit too thick. Like I could have made it thinner, but I don't know what I was thinking, so like don't make the mistake that I made, but also make sure that it's not too thin. If it's too thin, it's just gonna start tearing apart and it's not gonna be a fun time. I covered my phone using the silicone and now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off any excess. So that's pretty much the base of your phone case and you can design it however you like. The possibilities are endless. I decided to do a little chick wearing a strawberry suit. That was what I was going for. So I made its stem, hands, and feet using the same silicone dough and I'm just sticking it in place. Once you're happy with your design, you want to let it air dry completely before you move on to the next step. Once it's all dry, you can go ahead and take out your phone. Now you want to make the cutouts for the camera, for the volume buttons, and for the charging port. So this step, I feel like you kind of want to do it slowly. So what I did was mark it down and then very slowly with my X-Acto knife, I started cutting it a little bit at a time just to make sure that I don't end up cutting too much. And now for my favorite part, we can start painting the phone case. This is like what we've all been waiting for. So I'm making a little chick that's wearing a strawberry suit. So those are the colors that I'm going for. So we have like red, yellow, green. Again, you can do any design that you want. I will say that you will probably need to do 2 coats of paint just to make sure that it's not like patchy anywhere. So yeah, maybe do like 2-3 coats of paint to get it very nice and opaque. And the very last step is to glaze your phone case. This is going to add a beautiful shine, and it's also going to protect all of that paint. I applied about 2 layers to get this very glossy finish. And here is the phone case all completed. I love the way it turned out. This design is so cute. Let me know in a comment down below what you guys think. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next one.